Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. Optical sorting is transforming pet food. Bobber choose Buehler Sortex to help ensure pet food quality.
About the quality of the equipment provided by all Maier Silos do Brazil.
Widening application of switching mode power supply in the consumer electronics sector is expected to spur the growth.
Importance of humidity factor for food safety in raw materials.
Increased yields, reduced aflatoxin and higher quality, why Buehler's new nut portfolio is a big deal.
Moderate processing of edible oil, the key to quality and healthy cooking.
The increasing focus of governments on reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable energy solutions is boosting the demand for gas meters worldwide.
Rising demand for outdoor cooking and smart grilling technology propels growth in North American magnetic grill market.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Base 2023, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.